Welcome guys, in this video you're going to learn how to download all of your Google Photos. So first you're going to go to Google Takeout, which is takeout.google.com, and click on deselect all. After that, scroll down until you find Google Photos, and once you find it, click on the checkbox. Over here you can deselect some items such as your Hangouts photos. Once you're done, scroll down and click on Next Step. Over here you can select your delivery method, and over here you can select your frequency. I'm going to only export it once, but if you want to export your photos on a regular basis, then you select the second option. After that, select the file type and the size. Over here it says that exports larger than this size will be split into multiple files, meaning that, for example, if I choose 2 gigabytes and I have 10 gigabytes worth of photos, this will be split into multiple zip files because 2 gigabytes is not enough. You can choose from any one of these options. I'm going to choose 1 gigabyte. After that, I'm going to click on Create Export. As you can see, it might take a while to download these photos. It depends on how many you have. Once you're done, you will receive an email. Or if you keep this tab open, when it finishes downloading, you're going to see a page that looks like this, and then you're going to click on Download. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.